wano Bulange Mengo mu kutongoza ekisaakaate kya Nnaabagereka 2 omukolo guno gugenda mu maaso. Omukolo gwa kutongoza ekisaakaate wano mu Bulange Mengo.
Tutuno tuleese engoma, 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 tutuno tulize tulize.
Mulemye okwogera.
Bagenda kuba ku ngoma eyo okulaga nti bagirinze era bagitutte.
Kuba
abamuza high school bagenda kudda mu bifo byabwe ate ababonsdalen high school. Now it is in the hands of Homesteading, and they are going to have the acceptance speech.
Omukolo ogw'okutongoza ekisaakaate kya Nnaabagereka 2 wano Bulange Mengo.
Gereka ne ba partners muteekateeka y'ekisaakaate, abasomesa, olunaku olwaleero tuzze nga ttiimu okuva mu ofiisi ya tulina essanyu nti ewa okuteekateeka ekisaakaate kya Maama Nnaabagereka ekya Gatonnya 2 nate tugunjule abaana ba Buganda ne Uganda yonna okutwalira awamu nga Katonda ye mubeezi waffe. Tutwala omukisa guno okwebaza Maama olw'enteekateeka ennungi n'olukiiko lwo olusobodde okutuwa obuvumu n'okusuubira nti byonna tujja bituukiriza nga Katonda ye mubeezi waffe. Awangale ayisa Wasajja Kabaka ne Nnaabagereka ageekera omuweerezaawo omwami Mukalazi Kizito Homestas ye director w'essomero lya Homesteading School eGayaza Kamwokya ne Kyebando, naye nga campus kwe tugenda okubeera eri mu ssaza ly'e Kyaddondo. Ettiimu gye ntambudde nayo nze ayogera nze Kalyambo Godfrey Nixon, omukulu w'essomero lya Homesteading Gayaza branch. Deputy Head Teacher Homesteading Kyebando branch. okugobereza badirector waffe omukulu mulindwa Tom. Twebaza nese kwebaza era netweyama nate tituli beteefuteefu okwongera omulimu gw'ekisaakaate mu maaso.
Maama Nnaabagereka, Your Excellency Colgan, we also have acceptance messages from outside Uganda. And can we receive one from Texas, just like we have had one from Homesteading? Texas, you're most welcome.
The Queen of Uganda. My name is Dr. Abuseni. When I retired and handed over my duties to my assistant, Dr. Frank Sintam, we are all very excited about the 2024 Nnaabagereka ekisaakaate coming to our area. The 2024 ekisaakaate will be held from June 16th through June 21, 2024 at the St. Ignatius College Preparatory School campsite located in Fort Worth, Texas.
My name is Jackie Nakalema Kanakulia, and I'm the assistant to the Kabaka's representative in the Southwest region of the United States. We are very excited to be the next host of the ekisaakaate summer camp right here in Dallas, Texas in the summer of 2024.
We call upon all Texans, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, New Mexico, and all others, men and women, including children, to join us in this wonderful occasion.
Our children are very, very excited to continue.
I'm a second-year student at Boston University, and I'm very excited for the Royal Summer Camp in Texas. I'm Courtney, and I'm going to be excited to be part of the Royal Summer Camp in Texas 2024. See you then.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Raoul.
And we're both excited to go to Royal Summer Camp in Texas next year this time. Bye. See you there.
We are going to Honorable Grace Nambatia for National. Of NDA, I appreciate Maama Nnaabagereka for her effort to make the mothers, youth, and the Uganda children better through various life-changing projects of creating better life. Ekisaakaate Nnaabagereka 2023, which was organized in Mukono at Muza High School, of understanding with us. As we talk today with the Nnaabagereka Development Foundation team, and any time from now, and we are willing to sustain and develop it to better heights, so further spread. And last thing is that we are afraid public relations office strategic engagements. Thank you for listening.
Mu bitundu eby'enjawulo era abadde ayogera ng'akiikirira omukulu yagambye nti baaliyo okugalawo ekisaakaate kumuzza. Maama Nnaabagereka, Your Excellency the Ambassador, we now get and the Regional Manager Central, Mrs. Namil, remarks from NTN, and then we proceed.
Wano Bulange Mengo mu kutongoza ekisaakaate kya Nnaabagereka 2024.
Director, that is
Madam Anne, here since 2017, and we are proud of that for this opportunity. Number one, Finance Trust Bank that puts women first. Initiative of improving the children, especially at their tender age, in whatever we are doing. Maama, I therefore encourage parents, I encourage the children here to talk to their parents this occasion, and we pray that it goes very well, even when it comes to the real ekisaakaate come next year.
Nti batambudde bulungi ne Nnaabagereka Development Foundation era ne bategeeza